Stylish Reviewer here with my brother Joe, and we are unboxing WWE StackDown! And it's the Undertaker's entrance. And I love the Undertaker. He's been my favorite wrestler for a long time. And I was just thinking not too long ago, I liked when he was American Badass. People didn't like that? Well, I liked that. That was pretty badass, if you will. Our first bag here. The second bag full of blocks. Third bag of blocks. Our instructions and booklet. Our other bag. Last piece. And our decnals. I'm going to open this bag up here, because this is the bag that has the Undertaker. And also the reason I mentioned American Badass, because he's in the style of the American Badass Undertaker. There he is. I'll put him down here so you can get a close-up on him. Oh.
And a motorcycle.
Yes, and a motorcycle. I like motorcycles too, so that's a plus for me. There it is. Driving out of the gates of hell there. I assume that's what it would be, the gates of hell. And like always, once we have it built, we'll have the finished product. Well, until then, see you next video.